stop playing with him.
JDaVinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his
I don't quite remember where this wig is from. I'll put it in the description, but I'm not really digging the inside. It's just too holy. It's too holy for me. That's why I put on a wig cap, because it's like full of holes. We're gonna put it on kind of mind over matter. There is no clips or anything like that, just adjustable straps. Good thing I didn't put on fake lashes because girl can't see. Might need to cut it a bit shorter so I can see. Should we not have a bob and just go for like blunt, or should we have a little bob? So I'm gonna just take the ones by my face just a little shorter. Cut the bangs a little shorter on the mannequin. I'm just not really digging it. It's just really too much bang, so it's like overwhelming. So I'm gonna go get my scarf so I can style it. So this is what the wig looks like. I'm not really feeling the wig personally. I like it with the bandana and the bandana shirt, but other than that, no. My ears are itching. It just makes me feel a bit uncomfortable. But yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.
I don't asking questions, I'm designing to the fitting. If you want me at your party, man, just text me that it's a lit.